Imagine taking a complex, hour-long YouTube video and compressing it into a single-page whiteboard sketch with just one click. You paste a YouTube link into a web form, hit submit, and a few minutes later, you receive a custom infographic summarizing the video's core mental models. To build this, you need a running instance of n8n. n8n is an open-source workflow automation tool that allows you to connect different apps and services through a visual interface. You will also need 3 free API keys: accounts with Appify to grab the video transcript, Google AI Studio for the Gemini model, and Cloudinary to host the final image. By linking these specific services, we turn passive video consumption into an automated pipeline for extracting actionable insights. Step 1 is capturing the input. Create a new n8n workflow. Add a form submission node. Add a video link text element. Before closing this node, change the form response behavior to only when workflow finishes. Because this automation takes a minute, skipping this returns a blank screen rather than the result. Next, add an HTTP request node and set the method to post. A post method is a request used to send data to a specific server. This node acts as our bridge to send the video link out and pull the raw transcript back in. We use an Appify transcript scraper. Add your API token, set the body to JSON, and map the video URL. Click Execute to see blocks of raw transcript data populate the right-hand output window. Successfully capturing this raw text and routing it into n8n is the mandatory first step. Without a clean data stream, there is nothing for the AI to process. Add a new node for Google Gemini. Set the resource to image, the operation to generate an image, and select the Gemini 3 Pro model from the dropdown. To authorize this node, create a new credential and paste in the free API key you generated from your Google AI Studio account. A raw YouTube transcript is packed with numerical timestamps. Feeding this into an image prompt confuses the AI. The fix is a short JSON Nada script to automatically strip every timestamp, mapping only text values and joining them into one continuous paragraph. With the text cleaned, append your exact instructions. Tell Gemini to analyze the transcript to extract 4 to 6 distinct mental models and generate a high-fidelity sketch note whiteboard infographic. When you execute this step, expect it to take about a minute. The output will be a raw image file containing your newly generated whiteboard summary. Meticulously sanitizing the data before it reaches the prompt is the primary factor in determining the quality of your AI's final image. To show this image to the user, we have to host it. We'll use Cloudinary, which is a cloud-based service for managing and hosting images. In your account settings, create a new upload preset folder and set it to unsigned. Back in n8, add a second HTTP request node. Set the method to post. Paste your specific Cloudinary API upload URL into the endpoint field. Select form data, pass your upload preset name, and add a binary file parameter mapping the image. Execute the node. Cloudinary processes the image and returns a secure URL, the permanent public link to your new infographic. Now add one final node, another n8n form. Set its behavior to redirect to URL and map that exact Cloudinary secure URL. Because the total process takes time, add a wait limit to this form. Setting a 3-minute timeout ensures the user's browser won't drop the connection while Gemini is actively drawing the infographic. Offloading the image to a dedicated host ensures the user receives a reliable, shareable link they can keep, rather than a temporary disappearing file. Your pipeline is complete. Save the n8n workflow, toggle it to active, and copy the live production URL for your starting form. Let's test it. Open the form, paste a fresh YouTube link, and hit submit. While you wait, n8n is silently scraping the text, stripping the timestamps, prompting Gemini, generating the image, and uploading it to the cloud. Right on cue, the web form redirects. Your custom high-resolution whiteboard summary appears on screen, extracting the core value from the video in a single glance. You can expand this build by adding a Gmail or WhatsApp node, configuring the workflow to automatically text or email this finished image directly to your phone. Mastering this specific sequence of capturing, cleaning, and hosting data provides the technical framework for building more specialized AI agents.